Today I am so excited to show you a new way to make a healthy, delicious and simple snack option. I am making chocolate peanut butter energy balls with prunes. I love prunes because they're unique. They take on many different forms for baked goods, sauces and snacks. Now let's get cooking. Let's start by blending the prunes and water and make a prune chunky puree. Now let's add the prune chunky puree, peanut butter, cacao powder. This is cooked quinoa. Now let's add the mini dark chocolate chips and the protein powder. Now using a wooden spoon, mixed all the ingredients well. Now that we have the balls made, simple to make and nutritious, these energy snacks made with prunes. This idea makes it so easy to meet your daily recommended serving of California prunes, 4 to 5 prunes. A serving of prunes supports digestive health, bone health, and fiber-rich deliciousness.